Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Friends, in this video, we are going to learn about how to create new tabs and how to add tool groups. So very simple. You may see that the green area, this is actually known as ribbon bar, right? And the home, insert, page layout, these are all known as tabs. When you click on home tab, system opens the home groups. Those are all clipboard, font, alignments, number, styles. So here in the font group, we may see that font face, bold, italic, underline, color fillers, color handlers, right? And when you go for alignment, there is a right alignment, left. So here I would like to create a document where oftenly I am using font faces, shapes and images and charts. So while you are creating a document, first you need to change a font face. So what we'll do, we'll just go to home menu. So whenever you need to add a image, again we'll just go back to insert menu and here we click on image. So when you like to add a chart, again we'll just go to insert menu and again click on chart. So each and every time I don't want to shuffle from one tab to another tab. I don't want to search for all. So what I want to do is I just wanted to create one tab where my often features are added, right? So here it's a very simple way. You may see that now there is only home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view and developer and help is there. Now here I would like to create a separate tab. I would like to add some group tools. So very simple. Simply just click on file and just go to options. So when you click on option, the system shows the list of functions. Here the list of options, click on customize ribbon. As we already discussed, the green area, this is known as actually what? Ribbon, right? Now we are going to customize ribbon. So simply click on customize ribbon and here you may see that by default I'm just going to minimize it. So here you may see that by default the main tabs are home, insert, right? So here I would like to create a new tab. So very simple. If you want to create a new tab, simply click on here, simply click on new tab. Simply right click on the new tab, and simply click on rename. Here I am going to write a tab called as, for example, my document tab, my document, and click on OK and simply click on. See here I have not added any of the groups. I just added only a blank one is known as my document. So here in this document I would like to add what? In this my document tab I would like to add font face, charts, shapes and images, right? So very simple. Again go back to the same file and click on options and click on again customize ribbon and simply first you need to see now here which one is activated. Now the home is active, right? So first if you want to add any groups in the my document, first you need to click on my document, right? So here first I need to create a group. So in the group I'm just going to rename the group, and the group name will be my document tools, and simply click on OK and activate the group. And now here select font and click on add and again font size, click on add. Next I'm going to search for an image so type I here and simply click on image and click on add. And one more thing I would like to add shape, so type yes and just come down, and whenever you are observing a shape simply select it and click on shapes and click on add, then simply click on OK. So now here you may see that yes, we just created a new tab with the group name of my document tools and we added font size, image and insert. So this is how we create a new tabs and we add a groups to the tools, right? And if you want to hide it or if you want to remove it, simply just go to file, go to options, again click on customize ribbon and simply see here whether you like to remove it or whether you like to hide it, that is your choice. If you want to hide it, simply uncheck the my document tab and click on OK. Now it was hidden. If you want to bring it back the same way, and if you want to remove it permanently, simply go to file and click on options and click on again customize ribbon and simply right click on my document and simply click on remove and click on OK. It has been erased permanently from the MS Office. So this is how we create tabs, we create groups, and we add tools and we remove tabs. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.